Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use DALL-E 2, an AI art generator. Let's get started. What is DALL-E 2? DALL-E 2 is an AI-based image generation tool developed by OpenAI. It uses a neural network to create images based on text descriptions. Powered by GPT-3, DALL-E 2 can generate anything from objects to scenes just from your text input. Step 1. Access DALL-E 2. To use DALL-E 2, go to the OpenAI website and create an account. Once you're signed in, you can access the API. You get 15 free credits each month to generate images, but additional credits can be purchased if needed. Step 2. Input your description. Next, type a description of what you want to generate. The more detailed your description, the better the results. For example, a red apple on a white plate will generate exactly that. Step 3. Generate the image. Once your description is ready, click the Generate button. DALL-E 2 will create the image and display it on the screen. You can then download and use the image for anything you like. 4. Customize the image. DALL-E 2 allows you to customize your image by adjusting size, aspect ratio, lighting, colors, and more to match the mood or theme you're going for. Step 5. Create a series. Not just limited to one image, DALL-E 2 lets you create a series of images based on different descriptions. This can help you build a theme or story for your projects. In conclusion, DALL-E 2 is a fantastic tool for generating unique and stunning artworks. Give it a try and explore its creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.